With WeConnect's AI Assist, you can research leads, summarize conversations, and create personalized LinkedIn messages in seconds. To make sure the AI works for you, start by giving it the right context. Head to the Settings menu and open AI Settings. Click Enable AI and choose whether to apply your settings to all accounts or just the current one. Then, provide details like your preferred language, tone of voice, a short description of your company or product, your website link, your target audience, and the main problem you solve. You can even upload a file for extra context. When you're done, click Generate to see how the AI interprets the context you've given it. You can rate the results, make edits, or regenerate with new inputs. Once the AI is trained, you're ready to use it across WeConnect. You can use AI Assist anywhere you can send a message in WeConnect in the Messaging tab, the Campaign Manager inbox, or looking at a contact's profile. Just click the AI icon next to your conversation or contact. After clicking the AI icon, you have 4 options. Digest Profile gives you a quick summary of someone's experience, interests, and LinkedIn activity, along with a personalized message you can send. Digest Thread summarizes your conversation history and suggests a relevant follow-up message. Use the prompt library to browse ready-made prompts for connection requests, follow-ups, in-mails, and more. Write your own prompt directly in the text box to generate a custom message on the spot. Once your message is generated, you can edit it using built-in tools. You can fix grammar, adjust formality, change tone of voice, translate into other languages, change the message length, regenerate the message altogether. These tools also work while building or editing campaigns. Inside the Sequences tab, just click the AI icon while writing your campaign messages. Enter a prompt and generate your message. If you have any questions, start a live chat with our support team. We're happy to help.